Hello, my name is Aurora, and I'm working on the Sustainable Development Indicators for Mining Industry. I've been working with Shansu Perdelli-Demarkin, Nicole Smith, and Shebnem Duskin. So a little background on this project. Mining companies are increasingly expected to contribute to sustainable development as a core aspect of their business. So despite the importance of sustainable development to operations and even profitability, measuring contributions to sustainability has proven tricky due to the spatial and temporal variability of mining operations. This can leave investors, regulators, and others in the dark as to major aspects of their operations. There are initiatives to improve reporting, such as the global reporting industry, the sustainable development goals, and contributions from academic research, but a lot of these frameworks fail to address the inherent complexity of mining and extractive industries. So our project is to assess the current state of mining reporting and how it relates to contributions to sustainable development. So with that, we're looking at how reporting is currently approached, relationships between reporting and sustainability, and where reporting can improve to address spatial and temporal aspects of operations. So we started using a comprehensive list of indicators. We then selected 8 mining companies and 8 oil and gas companies from diverse industries and looked at the reports from 2012 to 2017 and compared them to our universal kind of indicator set. We then analyzed this data to understand how things varied between sector and within a sector over time. Finally, we compared reporting results to the Responsible Mining Index. So this is a look at some company reporting trends. This is for mining, as that is kind of our focus. So overall, we saw an increase in social and environmental reporting over this reporting period, and a decrease in economic reporting. This could be attributed to companies kind of segregating their reports, not viewing economic indicators as a portion of sustainability, but it's unclear at this point what exactly is causing this. So here's a quick glimpse at some of our results for the environmental category. The blue is the mining company results, while the red is, or orange is, the oil and gas results, and the kind of gray line is the difference between them. So both industries reported highly on environmental investments and biodiversity, and both failed to report on transportation and logistics and mineral resources. Additionally, liquid effluents and material use were very different for the two industries. Additionally, we looked at social indicators. This is the same graph, but for different categories. Both industries looked at suppliers and forced labor very highly, while kind of failed to look at human rights and non-discrimination. Additionally, there's the most difference between kind of labor management and business ethics. So some key takeaways. We saw that environmental reporting had the highest level of reporting, and this could be due to a variety of reasons. For example, reporting strategy, regulations. We noticed that there are a lot of industry-specific or even kind of sub-industry specific initiatives that have been gaining traction in recent years. So reporting could vary on whether companies are part of these initiatives. Additionally, industry-specific sustainability guidelines, oil and gas and mining, pay attention to some different things. The extent to which companies are aware of sustainability, and it's been institutionalized. But overall, we saw that there's huge spatial and temporal differences between mine sites. Even like company-wide, there's a lot of differences in their success or failures at promoting sustainable development and sustainability, which to us really emphasized the need to take reporting a step farther to make it more meaningful. So we also looked at the Responsible Mining Index, which attempts to rate performance of companies, not just reporting. So we wanted to see is what the reporting similar to what is being enacted in the field. And we saw that it really wasn't very similar overall. But overall, business and community engagement were ranked very similarly for both the RMI and what our rankings were, while environment and working conditions were not ranked similarly at all, meaning like what we saw in reporting does not correlate to what's happening in the field. So we want to take this research further and contribute to developing an indicator set that's flexible to address these spatial and temporal differences while still providing meaningful information that stakeholders can use.